As I said in my last video, today I will continue with the spring cleaning in the garden, and I will prioritize the butterfly bushes. These start growing really early in the season, just like the roses, and I don't want them to send energy into the branches I want to cut off anyways. So I will cut this one at this height, it's almost the middle. I don't want these to get really tall because I want to be able to reach the flowers to that head them, and I also want the flowers at those level because they have a really beautiful smile, you guys. I usually make the cuts above a bud and just let them grow from there. And this one is done, you guys. I know it looks really empty, but it will grow back in no time. I have 7 more here, and these are really tall, you guys. So this is the next stop. This is the eastern flower bed behind the cottage. I have here heucheras on the edge of the flower bed, armerias, roses, hibiscus, and in the back I have rhododendrons and hostas. You guys, I'm done. This is really amazing. This is really clean, and it was really horrible. This was really full of weeds, you guys. I didn't even realize until I started to clean it. So this is the back of this flower bed. I have heucheras at the edge, just like in the front. I have a peony there in the middle, and here I have rhododendrons and hostas. This part of this flower bed receives less sun than the rest, so I couldn't plant roses here, but it is a perfect spot for hostas. This is it for today, you guys. Thank you a lot for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.